Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yuka here. If you are new here, thank you for visiting my channel. My name is Yuka. So today I'm going to make onigirazu. So what is onigirazu? You know, onigiri is a triangle shaped rice ball and you make the triangle using your hands. But onigirazu, you don't make the shape. So how does it look like? How to make it? Let's take a look. And if you like this video, please give me some comments, hit like button, and also if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Alright, let's have a look. Okay, so now we are going to put rice on the seaweed. Please be careful not to put too much rice. Yes. Okay, now we are going to put ingredients. You can put anything like tuna, salmon, sausages, any other ingredients, eat as you like. Now it's not the end. We are going to put rice again on the top. Okay, now it's very important procedure you cannot miss. How to fold the seaweed and also how to cut. Yes, I feel very nervous when I cut it because I'm not sure if how the surface looks like.